Hello everybody! I'm back with another one of these Intermatic plug-in time-alls. This one's a Spats Bear special. I'll show you why in just a little bit. Take a look at the box. One thing, it is mint in the box. And we'll take it out of the box here in a minute. It's kind of got an idea of what you can control with it. Don't know why you'd want to control a blender with a timer, but whatever. Radio, TV, percolator, lamp, radio, fan, and blender. And there's a look at it. So, well, let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see why this might be a Spats Bear special. It's got three things going for it. In the box, it's mint. Hope I didn't reveal the secret. If the date code is correct, that's the 46th week of 1971. And the icing on the cake, it's avocado green. Let's go in for a closer look at it. It's set up just like the rest I have. Instructions on back. We'll see if it's got that same gear that's broken. I suspect it does. But it is indeed mint. Looks like it's had little or no use. So let's see what happens with it. Before I plug it in, let's take a look at the receptacle there. I don't see any evidence that anything's been plugged in there by marks on either side of the receptacle holes. Just looks as minty fresh as it can be. Let's go ahead and plug in my test night light. Plug in the timer. I can feel a faint vibration, so I know the motor's running. Will it turn it off? Off. On. And we'll set it for 12 noon. And see if it does anything. I'll put down a time lapse and come back here and check on it in a little while. Well, I'll let it sit there and run for a little while. Looks like this one's going to be good to go actually. So maybe it is new old stock. That is awesome. We'll do a demo of it shutting off, I guess. See if it'll do that on its own. It's set for about 6:30 and the hour is on 5, so we'll see how it does. I'll probably shut the camera off, and when it's getting closer I will see if it's advanced any and then turn the camera back on. So once again, this has been the, I would say, 1971 Avocado Green Intermatic Time All Spats Bear Edition. Thank you for watching.